jy het 'n surrogaat ma, wat deur trauma sal dit daai kind ook affekteer. Jy weet, sy gee die kind ons na iemand anders. So haar goeders nog steeds.
Ja, you can double up on all of it.
En dan dink jy as ouers is okay.
Ja.
Kyk, onthou, babatjie kan,
Ja.
'n babatjie kan in die womb, in the womb, kan
Ja, maar moet dan nou die babatjie
experience.
gegee vir ander mense.
So he's already got rejection
That's
because
right.
his mom didn't want him.
That's right.
He's already got rejection. That's a spirit wound.
Maar as hy
All
liefde
adopted
vir
babies has got a certain part of rejection.
Ja.
It will make a difference, obviously, but you still need to pray through those things.
Ja, jy lief
You still got the wound.
Maar as jy 'n babatjie dra vir iemand anders.
Jou gees is
As
hier.
hulle implant in jy surrogaat is.
Ja, en jy is nie.
Surrogaat.
Ja.
Okay. Ja, ek dink dit sal oordra want onthou dis binne in jou. So dis deel van jou.
They've even seen adopted so that then that child has got double
problem.
yeah. Because it's got the surrogate mom and what
Ja, maar dis
else.
wat ek bedoel, hy gaan daai kry van daai
Ja,
ma.
and the adoptive
En die ander die sy eie ma en pa.
En nou moet jy weet wat so gemors is dit vir daai kind met hierdie mans wat
Ja, maar dis
implant
hoekom.
word, né?
Ja.
Ja,
I've got double troubles.
Ja.
daai om kinders te bring in die wêreld wat
And some of them have been frozen before they are actually.
Ja, 4 years.
Ja, maar dis wat ek ja.
Ja.
Yeah.
So they can claustrophobic
Worst situation is where a man and a woman's married and they get the surrogate sperm and grow it in one of the ladies, or they get a surrogate and give the baby to the two men. That's havoc.
And now they don't even need a surrogate mom because they've got breeding
capsules.
whatever, breeding cubes. Yeah.
But that's a little bit more safe. I know it's artificial, but it's more safe for all those.
In that sense, but there's no bonding.
Exactly.
You've got no mother bonding.
Maar luister, 'n babatjie gebeur mos eers wanneer die twee bymekaar kom. So as hy gevries is hy mos nog geen baba nie.
Hulle vries hulle op daai
Ja,
stage.
maar dan is hy mos nog geen baba nie. Die baba gebeur
He's got the breath of God. Life starts there.
Ja.
He's already got the neshama.
Eers as en dit vorm 'n lig binne in jou. As die twee van mekaar
Exactly.
So as die twee apart is van mekaar, dan kan daar mos nog nie trauma wees nie.
But they induce curses upon that.
Om te groei.
So hulle spreek woorde op
They curse that.
Wanneer die twee bymekaar kom. Of dit artificial is en of dit nou nie artificial is nie, hulle kom bymekaar.
Ja.
Ek weet, maar as hulle
Nou, maar
die
voor,
eie vries is hulle mos nie van mekaar nie. So dan kan nie trauma wees nie.
But they can be
Maar dit
curses.
is curses and words spoken over.
They curse
Van 'n
that.
roep dit vir 'n sekere doel vir
Ja.
jy gaan
Ja. Wanneer jy lewe kry, gaan jy Satan dien.
Ja.
Jy gaan 'n godin wees op Mars.
Ja, jy spreek.
Ek weet dit klink nou erg, maar but that's what they do. Ja.
En as hy in liefde gebore word,
Ja.
Dan betref hom bid, sussie.
Ja.
Ja,
dis mos jy wat gebeur.
Ek dink dis
So dan kan hy ons nie dis
So,
is
is 'n
hy gaan
oplossing.
net Sangoma wees of
Nee, maar dat
But usually it won't be with that person. Gewoonlik daai wat hulle doen, they keep it in the family. Hulle gee nie daai uit vir random.
Ja, maar dis wat Glorika gevra het. Hoe weet jy as jy 'n surrogaatma het of as jy
You can still have trauma, you can still have things.
Ja, maar die surrogaatma is actually binne in haar gegroei. En dan gee sy die baba.
Remember generational things?
want sy is trauma.
Ek het trauma gehad met my pa gedink ek gaan 'n Patricia wees, wat hy wou gehad het. Toe kom haar Pieter uit. Nee, ek is ernstig. My pa het reg gesê. Want die nurse het dan toe hardloop en sê gelukkig die doktertjie, toe kom sy terug op, sy het 'n fout gemaak. Dit is baie opset. Ek is ernstig, dis deel van my lewe.
Ja.
Verwerping kom van 'n baie vroue.
And remember generational iniquity still comes, doesn't matter where they come from.
And you get a lot of soul ties with the surrogate.
Maar daar's 'n oplossing. As jy hulle liefde groot maak, God se weer dan bid jy vir hulle dat hulle regkom.
Liefde.
Hulle
moet vrygemaak.
Hulle ja. Jy kan dit nie net los. Ja. So healing from preconception rituals. At this point, the counselor or facilitator needs to help the survivor identify this primary aspect of their identity called out at the age 13. This was once said they all need to come together.
That's an SRA survivor.
Yeah. So very important, before this can happen, one needs to separate the demonic from the humanity with the soul of the spirit. So you do not want to embrace the demonic together with the humanity. So we must always remember when they get together, that pause, first separate the demonic from it. Because we don't always do deliverance. Because if they are not whole, it's still got legal right. So first, you can separate them from certain things, but the whole thing only happens when they are together, and then we separate it when they come together, and then there's wholeness. Maak dit sin?
Die beste is daai babatjie gebore is, breek haar bloedklein vloeke dadelik.
Ja.
Ja, maar jy moet daar weer daarvan.
Ja.
Oh. My boutjie is nou op die verkeerde plekke.
Weet julle almal wat 'n survivor is?
Nee.
Survivor is iemand wat daar deurgegaan het.
Dis is al
Vrygekom met ja, maar dit is nog 'n proses baie.
Ja, hulle harte verlies.
Ja.
Maar dan kom die proses.
Ja.
Dan noem jy hom 'n survivor.
Yeah. So joining or merging with this cult-aligned identity, so the 13-year-old, will validate this part and begin the process of releasing the new birth identity that has been sequestered in spiritual death. So this unlocks the door into the preconception domain to begin to reclaim the foundational aspects of the person's neshama and his spirit's identity that was taken by legal possession in death and held captive with Satan and is thrown under the Temple Mount in Jerusalem. So that part that Satan takes captive, a lot of those people's neshamas are under the Temple Mount, under Satan's throne. And do you guys think we have one like that in South Africa?
Yes.
Somewhere very close.
Yeah.
The monument.
Yeah.
And in Cape Town there's also one. I can't remember the name of that one now.
In Kimberley is also a monument.
I can believe that. Yeah. So people actually have to go there and release. Or maybe you don't have to go there, but I know there's people that went there, and when they prayed there, they released a lot of those people's neshamas from there. They can actually be whole. So getting rid of the fallen angels and demons does not get rid of the programming and control. If the programming and control are not removed through the process of reconnecting and reassociating the person's identity, the fallen angels and demons have the right to return. So to stop the control and the programming, every aspect of the person's dissociated and fragmented identity must be reassociated with the presenting persona. This takes time and effectively proceeds according to the counselor's spiritual maturity and skills, working in conjunction with the survivor's maturity and circumstantial stability and safety. So the more experience you have, the quicker it will go. Because there's no exact recipe on how to do it. You have to go and see what the Holy Spirit shows, what does Neshama bring out today.
But it's in ministry that is always the case.
Yeah.
No amount of information can prepare you for the next person standing in front of you. It just doesn't.
Yeah, and usually they are in shock when they find out what happened to them. So they have to work through that as well.
Yeah, we had that 2 Saturdays ago.
Sure.
So it's
Yeah,
they're in terrible shock.
Yeah. So mind control structures or constructs deliberately implanted and attached to the human soul, they are then empowered by fallen angels attached to the human spirit. So there can, for example, be castles, pyramids, dragons, and so forth that must be removed, or the presenting person must join with this construct in order to release what is held captive of themselves within these constructs. For the SRA and DID survivor, the pathway to freedom and maturity will progress if they continue to grow in the grace and knowledge of our King and Savior Jesus Christ within the context of biblically defined local church. So then the fallen angels and demons can be permanently removed and the person set free.
Okay.
So I know it might sound strange to some people if you speak about dragons and pyramids and all of that inside a person. But we are much greater than what we look at. We are also actually, in the spirit, it's like a whole realm. I mean, in Proverbs you can read, we are like a city. And a city whose wall is taken down, a serpent can come in and bite. So, yeah, and it's spiritual things. It's
There is some blood.
Yeah, I first thought no dragons and things like that. What are you
Well,
talking about?
the Rotherham Sacred Bible speaks about that God created them. Monsters, demons, He created them.
Yeah, they were created. Yeah, Leviathan was created.
Yeah.
All,
reason.
so
Excuse. As jy nou met as jy nou saam met so 'n persoon bly and daai persoon he doesn't want to go for deliverance or doesn't want help, okay, you can pray for that person, but
That's it.
Pray. Yeah, just pray. But
Just
I
pray.
mean, but they don't do you harm. I mean,
it depends on what part
and
comes
if
out.
they do,
Some of them has got, what do you call that, assassination parts. It's their job to go and assassinate
Ja.
yeah,
for
but
the
that's what I mean.
government.
And then
Maar
what?
dit gewoonlik spesifieke persone wat hulle moet assassinate. Hulle sal nie so
It depends on, well,
wat hulle moet doen.
it maybe shows you what's going on in some houses.
Ja.
Yeah, but that's what. Yeah.
But you keep on praying for them to go. And if someone like that is before you, and
Yeah, but
they don't want to work together with you,
Yeah.
you tell them to come back when they're ready. And you can't work with someone that does not
How do
want
you
to be
approach
helped.
somebody like that to go for help? Or, you know.
Kan jy sy
Ja.
gees roep vir die koninkryk?
Yeah,
Ja.
yeah.
Ja, dis baie keer al wat jy
And actually, they are saved. Actually, the cool person is saved.
You can bind the
Actually.
words, you can't do more than just bind the words.
Yeah.
Well, of course, renounce them and rebuke them. That you can do as well. So you can bind their works, you can renounce them, you can rebuke them. You renounce them in the spiritual realm, you'll cut off the connection they have. But the person, William Brannan says it very nicely, he says, you've got the faith to do for the healing, or at least the healing is there for you to take, to receive. You must just believe you can get it. You
Yeah.
must believe you get it. And when you're going to pray for somebody, they must believe that they're going to get it. That's a big
Yeah.
thing. Then the healing is there.
Yeah.
And that's the same with that, I think.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the times when they start to look for help is when the programming starts leaking.
Ja.
That's right.
Then they get certain flashbacks of what happened, and then they can't make out what's going on. And then that's usually when they go and seek help.
Yeah,
Or
somebody thought,
something really significant happen in their life, like if you go, Adele Neveling is now Adele Frey.
Yeah.
Her story is she went to kill
Mark Bredenkamp.
and she couldn't get in, and she went. She communicated with the authorities when his son came out, and they said go for the son. So she had him in a toilet. This part she doesn't
Yeah.
know in at the church. with the wall, you know, these doors that's it's like a door, but there's nothing at all.
Divided.
He went on with his whole preaching, and afterwards he went to look for Seth. And they told him she's got him in the toilet. She couldn't stab him. But what happened to her is Mark, with one leap, got over that. I sprung over the idea, and I laughed, and I said, how do you dare do this to a child of God?
That's right.
But I love you. And he gave her a hug. And she couldn't go further because of the love.
That's right. So that conquers door.
And then she became a survivor, and she's preaching with today still.
Gaan vir julle iets deel op die groep van 'n Nigeriër wat ook 'n Satanist was. Sy ma het hom uitgegee as 'n babatjie. Gesê sy gaan laat trou.
Baie van die Afrikaanse swartes sê dit. Een het my probeer half dreig nou in die week en vir my te sê, just remember where we are, we've got a lot of witches. This belongs to Satan, it's in Limpopo. I said, wonderful, because you can't do nothing to me, so you can carry on and do. And he put the phone down. Sorry, jy kan maak wat jy wil.
Ja, jy moet net jou authority daar hou.
You know what, the witches is not actually Satanists, but they are they serve Satan in a way, but it's two different.
Depends.
It's twee uiteenlopende goed.
And the programming we are talking about is not the normal Satanist that goes to the Satanic church.
No,
it's not them.
As jy nou obviously jou Neshama, die ding gaan nou oor die ouens wat diep geprogrammeer is en goeders, maar as jy daai gedeelte los en jy bring hom net terug na jou, let's call them your normal persons, wat nie daai het nie, wat nie in Satanisme was of geïncorporeer was in die rituele nie. So, sê nou maar Pieter, nie. Hy het sekere trauma's ervaar, maar jou Neshama, want dit is my ook 'n nuwe woord. Met jou trauma's, jy sê, hy word nie gefile op die regte plek nie. Die file is
die file is gone.
Jy kan ons incorporeer in jou gewone, roep jy hom net na vore. So, jy kan in jou gewone persoon net sê, vra dat hy reveal wat het die trauma.
So wat jy bijvoorbeeld kan doen, sê nou maar ek praat dan met Lorika bijvoorbeeld. En gaan ek dan bid ons en ons sê, Here, ons wil asseblief hê dat die Neshama en u lig wat op alles skyn, alles sal reveal wat in die donker is, wat in die lig moet kom. En dan, as dit terwyl dan sê ek vir jou, soos ek nou vir jou iets vra, die eerste ding wat opkom, sê dit, maak nie saak of het crazy klink.
Gee die antwoord wat opkom.
Gee die antwoord wat dadelik opkom, want as jy eers daaroor gaan dink, dan kom dit uit die siel uit. Dan is dit nie meer
die oor dan en dan sy.
En dan moet jy maar weer begin. Dan moet jy maar weer van voor af begin. So, die grootste ding is, hulle moet die eerste antwoord opgee, al klink dit crazy,
So
especially your first thought.
As jy jou spirit man vorentoe laat kom, is dit
it's not exactly the same. It's not exactly the same.
Maar as jy sal jy jou spirit man na vorentoe oopbring, of sal jy net
you just call Neshama to come forward.
Neshama will I think it'll combine with the Neshama spirit.
Dit sal goed wees as jy spirit man in elk geval die liefde vat, but that's their spirits are so defiled, dat jy moet nooit skoon gedeelte.
Nee, jy sal net dan daai doen, as jy
want jy moet die skoon gedeelte kry, wat saam met God werk, om daai goed uit te bring.
Kyk, ek vra om verskoning, want ek so baie praat alweer vandag nou, maar ek kan verstaan, as ek luister na al die goeters waarvan julle praat, want jy's vergewe, jy's skoon gewas, jy het vrygespreek, you've been set free, but die stuff still sit inside jou, and then you can start understanding this. Want ek sal besig wees met die woord van die Here, ek sal besig wees met boodskap en dan skielik kom maar in my kop op. Dan moet ek nou, waar kom
jy vandaan?
You understand what I'm saying? Then I'm going to renounce and rebuke en dan baie keer dink ons, dis soos George gesê, dink ons dis Satan, is die duivels. Nee, dit sit binne in jou. En dis dinge wat nog steeds nie wat was.
Wat nog nie reveal is nie,
ja. Want ek meen die ou mense is neergelê, maar ek het Saterdag weer net so vinnig Sondag so vinnig ontploffing binne my gehad. Dat ek voel ook 'n ou by sy keel gryp en dan besef ek, wow. What happened?
So jy moet gaan uitfigure wat het daai getrigger.
Yes, ek kan vir jou
wat het dit getrigger en dit is dan van daar wat jy moet terugvat waar die trauma aangekom dat daai jou getrigger het om so te reageer.
Dit was geweldig. Dit was iemand wat 'n kind seermaak. Met wie ek gepraat het en dit net so ontplof binne verstaan. Want ek kan dit nie hanteer nie.
Maar nou weet jy dis dit. Maar nou weet jy dis dit. So dit maak dalk nog wees daar nog steeds bietjie van 'n wond.
Ek glo daar's nog heel wat kom. Ja, nee, ek glo dit. Nee, ek glo dit. Daar sal ek nie strei nie. Maar ek is daarom hier from where I was, you understand? Where you
natuurlijk.
And where you know it.
Nee, ek dink jy het hierso nou 'n ding raak geslaan met daai woord, nee, dit is almal.
Ja, miskien nie dit nie. En nog 'n ding, hulle het altyd vir die mense geleer hierdie verskillende paths. Lead them to the Lord. Dis eintlik maak jy die vas. Want nou lei jy hierdie na die Here toe, jy lei hierdie na die Here toe, jy lei hierdie na die Here toe. Maar as hulle saamkom, is hulle in elk geval een dan behoort hulle mos aan die Here. Aan daai stuk wat God se hart vir die Here gegee het.
Ja, dis ook 'n goeie vraag want die mens dis makliker om jou die survivor en die ouens wat aan die ritual abuse blootgestel is, die konsep so te sien. As jy hom bring na die ou toe wat nie aan daai tipe van abuse blootstel, dan sit soos 'n okay, weet waarvoor jy in die boom maar die normale ou wat presies dieselfde dinge sê, net op 'n ander.
Dis net op 'n baie ander vlak. Ja, waar die ou wat dalk deur niks gegaan het nie, as dit 'n styl is wat so werk, as jou trauma dalk daarso, maar die SRI se ou se is heel op die punt.
Maar hy leef op dieselfde
maar op dieselfde skaal.
Want trauma net. Jy ervaar dat die een se trauma is noodwendig as die ander een se.
En alles is nou sprus.
Van die neshama oor dit wat geglorify is, maar daar is defiling.
So as jy sal meer neshama oor is, daar's meer om te gaan haal, om te gaan graaf.
Daar's meer defilement by die SRI. Hulle is net extreem traumatized.
Dis baie sad. Elke keer as so iemand by my sit, dan wil ek net in trane uit.
Hy sê dat as jy met hulle werk, dan kom jy agter wat hy
eintlik gedoen het. En dan is daar baie mense wat glo hy bestaan nie. Dis die duiwel van die kinderbybel, is net 'n storie.
Hulle maak die deur oop vir net so buite maar.
So as ons neshama kan verstaan, dan kan ons actually met iemand werk wat sê, maar weet jy wat met my gebeur nie. Want dan kan jy daai geheime gaan in die lig.
99% van die mense steek dit weg. Hulle sê jy bou mure om. Jy maak dit toe dat jy nie. En as daai mure wat die Here afbreek, stelselmatig, soos jy aangaan met jou genesing en jou groei nog, breek dit stelselmatig af.
Sê ek hoop dit
baie dankie. Baie dankie.
Dankie vir julle.
Definitief.
Nou kan julle uitsien